So if you are new and if you want to learn how function, procedure work, and sub procedure work, so this is the best video for you. Using a RAM to write a program name, that is, so write a program to input three numbers and calculate sum using function procedure. Okay, whenever you have to write a function, you should declare a function first. Declare function. Declare function is a keyword and then function name. I'm calculating sum, so I'm giving the name as sum. A comma B comma C. How many numbers? Three numbers. So that's why bracket A comma B comma C. Declaration line must be at the top. This is the first line of your program every time whenever you are using function or sum. In the place of this sum, you can write add, your choice. You can give any name but related. Okay, after declaration, I'll write here CLS to clear the data of the output screen. You cannot write CLS at the top. You should write declare line first. This is the first line of your program, and then only you can write CLS because CLS is executable statement. You should write declare a statement at the top and then executable CLS. Now we need to input a value. Input, enter any three numbers. We can take three input in the same line. How? A comma B comma C. For three numbers, A comma B comma C. For the first number A, for the second number B, for the third number C. In this way, input is done. Now this is time to call the function. So to call the function, we should write function name, that is SUM, sum, bracket A comma B comma C. While calling a function, we should pass the value. We are passing three values: value of A, value of B, and value of C. A function return a value. Function return a value. That means single value. If function return a value, then we should store that value and display. So I'll write here x equals to. Function will return a value. Then I'm writing x to store that return value, and then we'll display that value. This function name is sum. So this function will return sum of three numbers. So I'll print that sum of the numbers is an x. Now end. This is the end of the main module. Now we need to write function definition. That is function. After end, we'll continue function sum bracket A comma B comma C, as it is from here. Function sum A comma B comma C. Now whenever you press enter, the code will be like this. Function sum A comma B comma C and end function. Now in this function, what we are going to do? We are going to calculate sum and sum. So what to write? A plus B plus C for sum or addition. We can say A plus B plus C because sum of three numbers. And function return a value. Remember this point, function return a value, where in the main module. So how to return a value? We should write here function name, that is sum equals to A plus B plus C. To return a value from function procedure, we should use the name SUM sum, that is the function name. This and this will be same here. Okay, calculation is done. We can run the program by pressing F5 button from keyboard. Enter any three numbers. I will write this and this. Sum of three numbers is 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. Correct? Where is the remaining code? To view that, you should go to view option, click on subs. You can see here untitled and sum. This untitled is your main module. This sum is your function module. If you want to see main module, double click. Yeah, this is main module. And if you want to see function module, that is sum, double click. This is sum. And if you want to see both, click on view, click on split option, and here you can see this function. Just click here and then click on subs again and display this untitled here. This is main module and this is function module. Both are here. Now let me tell you how it works. If you want to save the program, you can go to save option and give name as sum using function. So I'll write sum f. Now if you go to the view option, subs, this sum f, that is main module, this is sum is function module. Okay,